We are at the Fairfax County Government Center, and we are here for the Fall 2017 Long Walk, which is a part of the LiveWell program, which is the wellness program for Fairfax County Government employees and retirees. And the goal of today's event is to go for a 1.5-mile walk around the beautiful Fairfax County Government Center campus, and to provide an opportunity for employees to get to know one another, to get some exercise. And it's led by our Fairfax County Government County Executive, Ed Long, and his deputies. So this long walk is exceptionally special because it really is the last long walk featuring current County Executive Ed Long. So we're really trying to make this a special event for him to send him off in style. The Long Walk started in 2014, and it started with a group of about 200 employee participants, and has since grown, after having the walk twice a year, to about 800 county employee participants. So it's really grown in size. It's become an event that all employees really look forward to, and we have different colored t-shirts for every walk, and employees like to try and collect each color as well, so it's kind of a fun event for employees. The great thing about the Long Walk is that it can be a low-cost event for any organization that wants to put something similar together. It doesn't require any special equipment or a large budget. It really just requires a walking path and a place for employees to gather. But we do try to incentivize employee participants with a t-shirt, and they do have a prize drawing at the end for some nicer offerings. We're always happy to connect with employees and retirees and to provide resources and information about our services. They can contact LiveWell at fairfaxcounty.gov for additional information. And for any organization in Fairfax County that wants to learn more about putting their own event together similar to the Long Walk, they can also contact LiveWell at fairfaxcounty.gov, and we're happy to share tips and ideas.